Do you want to start an AI research and writing service that students actually pay for without cheating or breaking academic rules? I'm going to show you the exact service, pricing, and AI workflow you can start today. Welcome to Purposefully AI, where we turn smart tools into real income. We'll show you how to launch an AI-powered research and writing support service for overwhelmed students. This is one of the easiest AI side hustles because the demand already exists, and AI does the heavy lifting. Students don't struggle because they're lazy. They struggle because research is confusing and poorly taught. They are paying for clarity, structure, and speed, not intelligence. To keep the service ethical, you are offering research support only. This includes topic research summaries, essay outlines, annotated source lists, and study notes. You are not writing final essays or completing graded assignments. Students don't want answers. They want help thinking. Here is the simple AI workflow that delivers exactly that. First, the student fills out a short form with their topic, academic level, deadline, and desired formatting style. Next, you paste that information into ChatGPT using a structured research prompt, asking it to act as an academic research assistant to summarize and cite credible sources. Finally, you review the output, clean up the formatting, and deliver the document as a clean Google Doc or PDF. The tools are simple, and the process is quick, which keeps your overhead low and your margins high. You only need ChatGPT, Google Docs or Notion for formatting, and Grammarly for a final polish. Because AI does the heavy lifting, each order takes you about 20 to 30 minutes, enabling fast turnaround times. Now let's talk about where to offer this service and how to price it effectively for quick income. You can start on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, or target students directly in student-focused Reddit forums and Facebook groups. Simple pricing works best, around $25 for a topic research summary, $40 for an essay outline with sources, or $60 for a bundled study guide. Just 1 or 2 orders per day can create steady side income. This is where most people fail and where you can stand out from the competition. Students care more about fast, clear help than perfection. You stand out by offering quick turnaround, clean formatting, and not dumping raw AI text. Always include a short note explaining how the student can actually use the material for their assignment. Students aren't paying for words, they're paying for confidence. This is one of the fastest AI services you can launch today. Download the free AI Money Starter Kit using the link below for the exact prompts and workflows. And subscribe to Purposefully AI for daily income ideas. Simple systems, real income.